Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I got 3 Panini Mosaic 2025 NFL blaster boxes. These are one of the last licensed Panini products, so let's see if we get anything good. I know the NBA Mosaics were pretty good, so let's see how NFL is. I haven't opened any of the NFL mosaics yet, so I don't know how they're gonna be. If it's anything like the NBA ones, they were pretty good. I don't know if it's because they were losing their license to Topps and they just gave us all the good cards. I know it's a random number, 3 boxes, but that's all I can find, so I just took the last 3. Alright. If you guys like watching breaks like this, please subscribe to the channel. That'll help me and the channel bring you more breaks like this. All right, box 1, 2, and 3. Let's see which one has better cards. We'll start with box 1, pack 1. I guess, so each box has an orange Mosaic blaster exclusive parallel. So I'm guessing each one of these are going to have orange. Robert Brooks. Jaden Daniels on the green Mosaic. And here's the Patrick Queen Steelers Mosaic orange. James Cook, Kurt Warner, Justin Fields. Let me know in the comments if you ripped this product already and what was your best pull. This is my first Mosaic rip, so Jahmyr Gibbs on the green Mosaic. Colston Loveland on the notoriety. Can't say that word. It would be nice to pull like a stained glass or a Genesis here. Hunter Henry, RJ Harvey, Ashton Genty on the green Mosaic. Elevate Luther Burden. And some base. Mike Gillespie, Dylan Gabriel, Jackson Dart on, what is this, like a silver Mosaic? Touchdown Masters, Brock Bowers on this Mosaic. This is like the Jam Masters on the NBA, but the Touchdown Masters for NFL. Looks pretty cool. Christian Watson. Here's a green Baker Mayfield. He's revived his career in Tampa Bay. He's doing so well. Here's a Touchdown Masters, Dan Fouts. Kid Reporter, Jaden Reed, Eric Dickerson. All right, last pack of the first blaster. Jamal Charles. I remember back in the day, I had him in my fantasy football. Him coming off an ACL, he saved my season. I won the whole thing because of him. Kurt Warner on the Touchdown Masters. Whatever this parallel. Trey Tucker, Tyreek Hill, Fairbairn. Okay, so that's box 1. Box 2. I think we could do better. That was just regular. Jared Verse. Rome. Colston Loveland on the silver Mosaic. Bixby, Xavier Worth, base. Will Anderson Jr. base. Kyle McCord. Epic Performers, Peyton Manning. It's cool to see him. Brock Bowers again, touchdown masters on the orange. Rome Odunze, Zach Bond on the base cards. So is that 2 touchdown masters for Brock Bowers? So I have a green and an orange. Okay. Jeffrey Simmons. Emeka Ibuka. He's so good. Rookie. Devin Neal on the green mosaic. Jackson Dart on the notoriety. I don't know why I can't say that word. Kid Reporter. Peyton Manning base. Ricky Pearsall base. Devontae Adams base. Here's a Jaden Higgins on the Elevate Silver Mosaic. Max Crosby, Josh Jacobs, Will Disley. Alright, down to the last 2 packs of the second blaster box. I guess Tesla on the silver. I don't know what this is. What is this? Just a Cooper D. John silver. Tyler Warren, T. Higgins, Richard Seymour. Last pack mojo here is box number 2. Maybe every blaster doesn't have an orange. I just got lucky on the first one. Unless the touchdown masters Brock Bowers was considered the orange. Here's a green Santana Moss. And here's a green Bobby Wagner. Brian Thomas, Aaron Jones. All right, so that's box 2. And then down to the last box. I was looking for the megas too, so I can do that opening. Couldn't find any. Maybe they'll be in stores soon. Here I see an orange on this third box. Steve Young, base, Warren Sapp, Jalen Hurts on the green, Drake Maye on the notoriety, orange. I'll take that. And I don't think it's a huge card, but he's good. RJ Harvey, Joe Mixon. Marshall Falk, Mason Graham, Travis Hunter, notoriety. Either him or, I guess, Drake Maye, orange. I would have took either one. Who are you guys chasing this year? Any rookie standouts that you like? Here's a green Michael Penix Jr. Silver Brian Burns. And then base. Joe Burrow, Jackson Hayes, Bernie Kosar, silver mosaic, Amin Ra, St. Brown, silver, elevate. Down to the last 2 packs. Can I get some luck? Patrick Willis on the silver mosaic. Adam Thielen,